So what is the laziness, right? When we are talking about processing any stream. So first thing is that laziness means these intermediate operations will not be getting executed, right? Till that time, we are not calling any terminal operations. So in that, if you will see, if I will create any um, stream APIs or sorry, stream on that any other collection here, you can also create onto a file as well, right? And process and you can get it. You can create a stream. You can also create an stream of and you can pass the object like this also. So you can also here we are using a parallel stream and we are using a filter operation, but we are not calling any terminal operations and it is returning as a stream only, correct? If you wanted to get any result, so you need to call any terminal operation count or collect or something like that on this object here, correct? Then only these intermediate operations are getting executed. That is we called as a laziness of the in the stream, right? That is we are saying when we need a result only, then we are conducting and we are processing this data here, correct? Now, if you wanted to get that distinct or unique elements here, if you wanted to get something like that, so what you can do, you can say dot stream, right? Dot, you will see distinct dot, what we can say, count. So as of now, if I am just taking a count here, you can also collect into a, let's say, dot collect, and then again you can collect whatever the way you wanted to collect it, correct? So collectors dot to list or to map, something like that, you can do it, okay? So it is also again getting that here is for unique numbers basically, correct? So like this, you can use a distinct operation, you can use it that can return it and that can give it to you a much more if you wanted to remove the something called as duplicates and something. So here 10, 5, 25, 2, 2, maybe you can take it as a one more as a 5 like this. Now let's say we try to print it, correct? So uNumbers dot for each, right? So you will see that for each, right? It is basically taking as a consumer, right? So perform each operations, right? And each elements of the iterable until the all elements has been processed. जब तक कि हम सारे elements process नहीं कर लेते, correct? So here it is taking as a consumer. That is what we can say that the default implementation is basically work like this for this for each, right? So you can also see how it works here, okay? So this way you can also understand that what is the meaning of a consumer here. So I already told you that for each is taking as a consumer. Okay. Now here what we do, system dot out dot println, right? So here we are talking about unique numbers, right? Plus what we can say, okay. So I am printing many such operations here, but let's say for we will check the unique numbers. So unique numbers, you will say 10, 5, 25, 15 like this. So this way you can try it. You see there is a no such duplicate numbers here. So you can remove the duplicate numbers like that if you wanted to remove it, right? So this way you can try and you can do it. So this is also one of that frequently asked question as a Java interview questions or Java interview questions, you can say, or maybe Java interview preparations, Java 18 API interview questions as far as it is concerned.